In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can shape an image on Canva. So this is a super simple thing to do, guys. The first thing we will need to do is open up a blank design on Canva. Once we have our blank design, the first thing we need to do from here is go to the left hand side bar and then scroll down and click on Elements. Once we click on Elements, we can then come to this page and start scrolling down until we see the option for frames, which is right here. Click on frames to open up all of the different frames and shapes. So let's just say we want to put our image into this shape right here. So what you want to do, drag it on to your blank design. You can resize this and make it as big or as small as you would like. And then once you have done that, all we simply need to do now is get our photo that we want to shape. So in this case, what I'll do is if I try and shape this picture right here, so this picture of a mountain, click and then drag this on into this shape right here, drop it in, and then as you can see, that picture has now been shaped to this circle shape. From here, what we can do is we can double click on this, and then it will allow us to, make this image larger. It will allow us to move it around and, position it how we would like. The only thing we can't do is make the image smaller, obviously, because then it wouldn't fit the whole shape. So that's how easy it is to shape something on Canva. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.